Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Nama. My name is Preeti and today I am going to teach you participles. So first of all, before starting this class, I would like to say thank you to all of you for your love, for your support, for your comments and for sharing my videos. So today we will study participles. So now we watch what is participle. Participle is basically a verb. Okay, we cannot say that participle is not a verb. Okay, हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि participle verb नहीं है. Participle एक verb है जो use होता है as an adjective. Okay, so remember this. Participle is a verb which is used as an adjective. Okay, so here it is written. Participle is formed from a verb which can be used as an adjective. Okay, participle क्या है? एक verb का form है जो use होता है adjective के तरह. What is adjective? Adjectives are known as describing words. Okay, adjectives क्या होते हैं? Adjectives वो words होते हैं जो किसी noun या pronoun या we can say subject की विशेषता बताते हैं. What are adjectives? Adjectives are those words which tell the quality of noun or pronoun, or we can say which tell the quality of subject. Okay? Adjective वो होते हैं जो noun, pronoun या subject की विशेषता बताते हैं. Okay, so what are participles? Participles are those verbs which are used as an adjective. Okay, participle वो होते हैं जो adjective की तरह use होते हैं. Remember this. Participle are those words which are used as an adjective. Just watch these examples. The broken cup. Okay, so here which type of cup is this? It is a broken cup. टूटा हुआ cup. It is telling the quality of cup. Okay, तो यहाँ पर ये broken ये verb हमारा participle है. Okay, because it is a verb but it is used as an adjective. ये है तो verb but ये use हो रहा है एक adjective की तरह. Okay, so this is participle. Next, the brighting sun. Again here brighting is participle. Okay, next is the developing area. Here developing is participle. Okay, now we watch that there are three types of participle. Okay, first is present participle, then past participle, and in the last there is perfect participle. Okay, three types of participles के present participle, past participle and perfect participle. So we will continue this in the next. What is present, past and perfect? Now first we watch present participle. What is present participle? Present participle. In the present participle, there is verb ing. Okay, but remember these verbs always act as adjective. Okay, participle हमेशा वो verb होते हैं जो adjective की तरह काम कर रहे होते हैं. Okay, so in present participle there is always verb ing. Okay, present participle में verb हमेशा ing form में होगा. Next, remember this present participle is always in verb ing form. Let's watch these examples. The brighting sun looks beautiful. Okay, the brighting sun. Present participle means which is in present, which is continuing. Okay, which is present. Present participle का मतलब वो होता है जो present है, present में मौजूद है, present में चल रहा है. Okay, so the brighting sun looks beautiful. Here the brighting sun, it means that it is the current position of sun. Okay, चमकता हुआ सूरज. The brighting sun looks beautiful. Okay, so here looks is the verb and brighting is participle. Which participle? Present participle. Remember, it is the present participle. It is the present participle. Okay, because it is in ing form. Okay, next is the smiling girl is my classmate. Here smiling is again present participle. And here what is the verb? This is the verb. Is verb. यहाँ पे is हमारा verb है और smiling हमारा present participle है क्योंकि ये noun को modify कर रहा है. Okay, which is the noun here? Girl. And here which is the noun? Sun. Okay, so participle are verb होते हैं जो adjective की तरह use होते हैं. Okay, so present participle is always in verb ing form. Next is past participle. In past participle, there is verb third form. Okay, or we can say that if in the last of the word there is ed, d, en, an and t. Okay, अगर कोई word का लास्ट लेटर ed है, d है, en है, n है और t है, then those verbs are known as the past participle. Okay, or we can say verb third form. Okay, but always remember अगर वो verb participle है तो वो हमेशा noun के पहले use होगा. Okay, so just watch. The broken cup is mine. The broken cup. And one more thing guys, if there is past participle, तो past participle में वो verbs आते हैं जिनसे हमें ये पता चलता है कि काम हो चुका है. Okay, it has been completed. The work has been completed. Just watch. The broken cup. Here broken cup means टूटा हुआ cup. Okay, so here broken is participle. It modifies cup. Cup is the noun here. Okay, so यहाँ पर broken हमारा participle है. Next कौन सा participle है? Past participle है. Next, the developed country always support to the developing country. Okay, the developed country here, the developed country here, the developed is past participle. Okay, developed country it means वो country जो develop हो चुके हैं. Always support to the developing country. हमेशा उस country को support करते हैं जो क्या होते हैं? Developing कर रहे होते हैं. Okay, विकासशील होते हैं, विकास कर रहे होते हैं. This one means विकसित, जो ऑलरेडी विकसित है, ऑलरेडी डेवलप्ड है. एंड दिस वन मीन्स विकासशील, जो विकास कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो हियर डेवलप इज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल एंड हियर डेवलपिंग इज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. ओके, so don't be confused if there is past participle and present participle. Now the next is perfect participle. In perfect participle, there is having plus verb third form. Okay, or we can say past participle. Perfect participle में having plus verb third form आती है. Okay, just watch these examples. Having eaten, having spoken. These verbs are perfect participle. Okay, let's watch these examples. Having done my work, I went to play. अपना काम खत्म करके मैं खेलने गया. So here having done is perfect participle. यहाँ पे having done हमारा perfect participle है. Next, having stayed for 2 hours, I continued my journey. Again, having stayed हमारा perfect participle है. Okay, so if there is verb ing form before noun, then it is present participle. If there is verb third form before noun, then it is past participle. And if there is having plus verb third form, then it is perfect participle. Okay, so just watch these examples. If there is present participle, then there is ing, the burning train. Just watch, this burning is modifying train. Okay, यहाँ पे ये burning किसकी quality बता रहा है? Train की. तो here burning is present participle. Next, the developing country. Again, developing is a verb which modifies country. So that's why it is present participle. Okay. Next, the burned train. Here burned is past participle. Next, the developed country. Here developed is past participle. Next, just watch having burned and having eaten. These words are perfect participle. So don't be confused if there is present, past or perfect participle. So I hope guys that your doubts are clear regarding present, past and perfect participle. So please like, subscribe and comment on my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon and share my channel. Thank you.